Hello guys again, and today as you see we have a new unboxing. This is a home cinema. This is from LG. It cost 160 euros. This is an LG streaming entertainment with immersive surround system, 3D Blu-ray DVD home cinema system. Well, it's a 5.1 speakers, and let's see some specs in the box. It's a 1000 watt as the LG says. It's a model LHB625. We have a private sound mode, we have a music transmission, Bluetooth standby, easy connect and turn on your LG home cinema with Bluetooth standby. We have a music transmission, okay, with CD USB music transmission to LG multi-room audio. Well, other pictures in here, Blu-ray home cinema. Okay. See some specs from the other side. We have a 3D Blu-ray disc, DVD video, premium content, LG AV remote AP, Smart Sir DLNA certified, football mode, Full HD, 1080p, HDMI, Simply Link, X-Video, MKV playback, Dolby True HD Digital Plus. We have a DDS HD Master Audio Essential, external HDD playback, sound sync wirelessly, FLAC, private sound mode, Bluetooth Live, AV, CHD and Java powered. Let's see inside what we have. Inside we are going to find some manuals with only one battery. That it means this is the for the antenna. One battery and the manuals. Remote control. I think it's very beautiful. I see too much buttons and settings into our unit. Okay, this is the main unit. Okay. On the back we have the speaker connection and the subwoofer. We have the LAN, the HDMI output, optical input, aux left and right, antenna, and we have a fan and a power cord. And to the front, some buttons. Inside is the USB, and we can see some of the specs into the main unit. Well, lovely. Let's put that here and let's take out speakers. Our heavy speakers is with subwoofer. Here we are seeing this is the main speaker, the central speaker. Voila, connection. Lovely. Cables here. I hope they are long cables. The back, of course, not the front. Nice. And let's go to the other speakers. There are 4 similar speakers. I don't have any difference between them. You are going to decide it, which will go where. Lovely speakers, 3 ohms. Last but not least, the heavy woofer. And I'm going to show you what about I like so much in this woofer. As you see, this is the carbon fiber. I like very much carbon fiber. It's a nice design. Okay, and voila. Have some in front of, this is a mess, connections to the unit. And that was all, guys, in this unboxing with all the goodies and accessories. Let's take a closer look. Well, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like or dislike my videos, your choice. Hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you won't want to miss it. And share this video, you never know who may need it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.